Ever wondered how to unlock a world of apps, games, and subscriptions on Google Play using the seamless and secure Paysafecard? We're about to show you. First things first, you'll need your Paysafecard PIN. Make sure it's readily available either from a physical voucher or displayed digitally on your Paysafecard account. Open the Google Play Store app on your device and tap on the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner. From the slide-out menu, select Payment Methods. Now look for the option that says Redeem Code and tap on it. This is where you'll enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. Double-check to ensure it's accurate before moving on. Once entered, tap Redeem. Your Paysafecard balance will now be added to your Google Play account, ready for use. Now, when you go to purchase an app, game, or subscribe to a service, your Paysafecard balance will appear as a selectable payment method. Simply select it, confirm your purchase, and you're all set. It's that easy to enjoy all that Google Play offers with the convenience of Paysafecard. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tips, and share with anyone who could benefit.